You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling.
All right, everybody, welcome back. Our next guest speaker is Soro Somhain Irena Osborne Crowley. Let me tell you a little bit about her from her bio. She's a celebrity esoteric expert devoted to Hermetic Masonry. She stands with a fatal, eternal, fraternal, and extraordinary purpose: universal enlightenment, empowerment, and enchantment. Her aspiration in life is love. The people know her as a public figure and highly recommended educator, speaker, and spiritual leader, offering a variety of services and solutions with the eldest Hermetic and esoteric orders. Her worldwide clients range from fellow practitioners, celebrity, military, the priory, and the political party. Please welcome Irena.
Well, hello, fellow flirts. This is the Goddess XxX, and you said yes. You said, yes, I want to learn from you. Yes, I would like some tips. Yes, I need some insights. Yes, I would like some profile help. Wherever you are in your NITE FLIRT business, starting from the novice or to an expert like me, then I can show you how to scale your business from zero to genuinely producing a minimum of $20,000 to $40,000 a year on part-time income. And if you really hustle and you want to take things up to a next level, you can do what I do and mostly live off of passive income. So passive income is one of the best games in NITE FLIRT. That means that you can produce passive income by creating content. And content, everything is content. Pictures are content. Your videos are content. Your voice is content. You can make recordings. You can take pictures. You can sell anything that is a part of you. And my suggestion to you is do something that's in your nature. For me, in my nature, music and hypnosis and MP3s and doing things like that, that's me being in my nature. And also teaching is me being in my nature. But you may have something that is in your nature. You may be incredibly gorgeous and sexual and love to perform sexually on cam. And men and women and couples love that. So you may be an exquisite model and don't mind taking pictures of your tits and your ass. You can have a whole entire gallery of just photos of your tits. You can sell those for anywhere between $5 and $10 each, and there you have passive income by just taking pictures of your titties. So it all just depends on where you're at in your nature and what it is that you want to do to make more money for you.
And so beyond having a personal practice, what has really made a difference, which I really wish I would have known about 5 years ago, was lucrative passive income. If I knew about lucrative passive income 5 years ago, even 4 years ago, even 3 years ago, I would be in a completely different position in my life. Because lucrative passive income it's a godsend, really. And so the key is to choose something that you're good at, something that you're passionate about. And for me, I chose hypnotherapy. I love hypnotherapy, and having a background in music and having a background in hypnotherapy, composing a hypnotherapy MP3 was easy for me. And so I composed that MP3, and voila, I have passive income.
Yourself. We are an internet sensation. Nobody is like NITE FLIRT. And NITE FLIRT is a family-owned business and has been in production longer than most. And what's really awesome about NITE FLIRT is NITE FLIRT genuinely cares about your well-being. You got to follow the rules, and you got to set a good example. And the more you share yourself and your content, and the more you advertise, the better you're going to do. So let's just talk a little bit about advertising. There's 3 different ways that you can advertise, and it's important to pay attention to how you do that. Yes, you can advertise on NITE FLIRT. I suggest that you do that. You will make more money when you advertise. The second thing that you want to do is you want to advertise on Google or on YouTube. That will also support you as well. You can make a simple little video on YouTube, and then you can add that to your Google ads, and then you're right there at the top, and then people will click on you, they'll get to your file, and they'll learn more about you and your profile. So you've got to be willing to do that. That is how you're going to upscale. Every time I put together an ad or start advertising myself, my business doubles or quadruples. So plan ahead. And if you don't know how to advertise, I can teach you, and I can also send you to the teachers who taught me. I'm good at what I do because I have always hired a mentor. I'm good at what I do is because I choose to be a student, and I go to the experts to learn more. So as an expert, I'm going to teach you how to do a lot with your business.
And so when it comes to business, I think the most important thing is to believe in yourself, to trust yourself, to invest yourself, and never give up. So
it just all depends on what it is that you need. You may need a full makeover, or you may just need, a few little steps. Whatever it takes to push you out of the nest and get you to fly, that's what it's all about. So this is Samhain Irena Crowley. This is my intro video. I am super excited to be teaching fellow flirts and supporting you in upscaling your business. This is the first time I've ever done this publicly. Privately, I've been doing it for a while, and you probably know some of who I call my daughters that I have shared my expertise with, who have become incredibly famous because I guided the way. So if that's what you're seeking, if you are seeking celebrity status and you want to play big, and I mean really, really big, then this is the perfect place for you. So lots of love, lots of light. Pay attention to my videos, check out my goodies, and thank you for being interested in upscaling your business with the Goddess XxX, the #1 celebrity
Call me a
occult
saint, but you know I'm a stranger, unwilling and unable to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all messy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt. Boy, you look worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out. 'Cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you, to mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know.